Don't download Dodl by Abel app before watching this. If you're considering Dodl by Abel, stop for a moment. Many people assume it's just another simple investment app, but here's the surprising truth. It may not be as beginner-friendly or cost-effective as you think. Dodl is marketed as a platform for easy, low-cost investing with options like stocks, ETFs, and cash management. Its goal is to simplify investing for beginners. However, most people overlook a few key points before signing up. First, investment options are limited. While Dodl offers popular ETFs and stocks, it does provide the depth and diversity you might find with other platforms. Investors seeking global exposure or alternative asset classes could find it restrictive. Second, fees. Dodl advertises low-cost investing, but there are management fees and product-specific costs that can accumulate over time. Even small percentages, when compounded over years, can significantly affect your long-term returns. Third, the app's simplicity comes at a cost, control, and transparency. Dodl automates investment choices, which is convenient, but it limits the tools and analytics available for experienced investors. You won't get in-depth risk assessments or tax optimization features. On the upside, Dodl does make investing accessible. It's easy to set up, simple to navigate, and provides automatic rebalancing. For someone completely new to investing, it can be a gentle introduction to building a portfolio without overwhelming complexity. In conclusion, don't download Dodl if you expect a fully customizable or advanced investment platform. It's best for beginners looking for a simple, automated start. Understanding its limitations in investment variety, fees, and analytics ensures you make an informed choice and avoid surprises down the road.